designing electronic circuits in Fritzing, and dealing with FZP part files. These define custom electronic components for your circuit designs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Fritzing part files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade FZP file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. FZP files are part definition files used by Fritzing, an open-source electronics design application. They describe individual components like resistors, capacitors, and microcontrollers, with breadboard schematic and PCB views enabling custom component creation for electronics prototyping and educational projects. FZP files use an XML-based format containing component metadata pin definitions, view references, and connector specifications. The structure links to SVG files for visual representations across breadboard schematic and PCB views following the Fritzing part specification for proper component integration. The FZP data container is optimally managed by Fritzing, developed by open source. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the FZP file and select Open With. Test Fritzing if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. If your FZP file is not opening yet, that is normal. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your FZP file is generating this error. First, opening in Fritzing. Launch Fritzing and use the Parts menu to import FZP files via Import option. The application loads the component, making it available in the parts bin for placement in circuit designs. Custom parts integrate seamlessly alongside built-in Fritzing components for complete circuit creation. Next, editing as XML. Open the FZP file in a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to view and modify the component definition directly. The XML structure reveals pin mappings, view references, and metadata, enabling manual customization of component properties for specialized electronics design needs. Finally, creating custom parts. Use Fritzing's built-in parts editor to create or modify FZP files visually. Right-click any component in Fritzing and select Edit Part to launch the editor. This graphical approach handles XML generation automatically, while providing intuitive component design for breadboard schematic and PCB representations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.